Guys, this is very tempting. Trust me. This is very tempting. And I'm thinking what to take and what not to take. Seriously, I'm thinking, what I'm going to take. It's really a variety of everything. And I can definitely... That's the start from salad. Amazing salads. Some sides, some sauces. Hi, assalamu alaikum. Buying in England today. And a lunch on the Ramada Plaza in Karachi airport. I've got a flight to catch from Karachi to Lahore, but just before I get bored, so I'm gonna use this facility for a beautiful buffet lunch over here. So I'll be with you very second. I'll show you what I'm gonna have. Okay. That's the start from salad. Amazing salads. Some sides, some sauces. That's very good. Nice, amazing, amazing. Everything's fresh. Live tandoor over here, amazing. Got white rice, got fried beef, black pepper, amazing. Look at that. That's proper black pepper. All right. Then we have a fried, oh wow, amazing, isn't it? That's Ramada Plaza, sorry. As you can see over here, ambience is very great. I'm really delighted to be over here just before I got on board. So it's nice ambience. Different fish fillet with garlic and olive sauce. That's really nice. I've tried that. It's very nice. And then I've got Alfredo pasta. In Pakistan, it's very famous around here, which of course, I've tasted, and it's nice. Steamed vegetables I have over here. Sorry. Please, sorry. I'm just making vlog here. Then we got beef bone over here, which is I've already tried that. I've got chicken biryani I've tasted, and then chicken handi. Amazing. And some kebabs. Amazing stuff. Amazing. So, this is Ramada Plaza in Karachi. That's my last vlog over here in Karachi, and then on my route to Lahore. That's my very beloved friend, Mr. Zedi, and then I have Mr. Mahmood over here. The nickname is Mahmood Safari, maybe sometimes. And he knows Jawed. Jawed comes very in and out, and I'll tell you who's Jawed anyway in my later on vlog. And that's my another friend, Mr. Faisal. He's from Karachi. He's actually a developer, and he's doing property business in Karachi and surrounding, and more or less all over Pakistan. So that's all about it. And guys, this is very tempting. Trust me. This is very tempting. And I'm thinking what to take and what not to take. Seriously, I'm thinking, what I'm going to take. It's really a variety of everything. And I can definitely, I'm just loving it. Everything over here. So, this is the dessert. Right guys, so buying in England now, finally leaving Karachi. And as you can see, Qajar International Airport, sorry. So, buying in England अब कराची से निकल रहे टू लाहौर, और वहाँ से फिर हमारा ज़बरदस्त मज़े का सफ़र शुरू हो जाएगा. Okay, so मुझे दें इजाज़त. I hope you're gonna like my vlogs. I'm gonna put it very soon. ठीक है? So inshallah, see you soon. I'm getting tan. I just got tan हो गया जी. No problem. लेकिन अल्लाह के हवाले. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. जहाज़ मेरा आ चुका है. Big birds are here. Small birds here to take me back to Lahore. Okay. See you soon. Bye.